By popular request, this is the earbuds that you want to see. Honor Choice X1. Let's unbox it. Selamat pagi. Good morning everyone, Kenneth here, and today this is my first impression video of the Huawei Honor X1, or actually Huawei Choice. This is actually branded as MOECEN, motion, whatever they want to call this. This is a really different name. So what do I think about it? The first time I see it, you know what comes to my mind? It looks like a freaking AirPods Pro. So anyway, let's see if this sounds any good, because I'll be curious. I have some earbuds right there to compare it with. We have the excellent GT1 XR, and we have the new Transmart Onyx Free Entrania B530. This sounds as good, or actually even better than my top pick of the year, Soundpeats TrueShift 2. So yeah, this is the unboxing experience. It's just usual, like this comes in at $35, or you can find it as low as $30, but it doesn't have any special feature. That's kind of my problem with it. And it looks awfully a lot like AirPods Pro, which I don't know, I just don't feel too well when a company just don't bother with making a new design and just copy it. Anyway, quick start guide, nothing to be seen right there. And let's take a look at the case itself, and avoid frequently opening and closing the case. That's the first time I ever see something like that. Enable Bluetooth on your phone before taking out. That's normal, because that's just how Bluetooth works. So let's open this. All right. And you know what? This unboxing experience, like this outside part, plastic part, reminds me of Apple products, which is, I don't know. So I'm sorry if I'm being too harsh on a product right here, because I'm not really keen on someone just copying the design off of something and make little adjustments. But yeah, let's take a look at the quality of this earbuds objectively, compare it with other earbuds that you can get. And yeah, let's first take a look at the build quality of the case here. I think it's good. There is some resistance here when you open it up fully like that, but it's still plastic though. It's not metal, yeah? So when you open up fully, it won't drop down, which is good. It's a little thing, but it really improves the user experience. And next on is the battery indicator. It lights up the moment you open the case, so that's good. This will turn red when the battery inside is below 30% or something, so that is also good. So now let's take the earbuds, and yeah, there are no plastic coverings. The earbuds are okay-ish. There are some sharp edges here, so it's not one part. It's made out of three parts here: the outer part, the center part, and the inner part. And between the seam there, it's not very high quality. Probably I shouldn't be complaining about this on a $30 earbuds, but I've seen better ones. Moving on, inside we have nothing else but this extra ear tips, which is supposed to be, the larger ones, the smaller ones. Let's see what we have included. That's, I think, the medium size ones. All right, so yeah, let's see if this is any good. Oh, okay. It fits good already. I don't need to change to the bigger one. And lastly, we have a very small packaged USB-C cable. So yeah, at least it uses USB-C, so there is no real deal breaker in this product, except that I just feel whatever about the design. I think it's okay. It's about the same as some of the other earbuds here, like the GT1 Plus, let's say. So yeah, it's fairly compact. It's pretty good. This is a glossy finish that will attract fingerprints and oil very, very easily, in my opinion. And under that, there's your USB-C. So yeah, let's put this aside. Let's see how this performs. We're going to do a little quick dirty PUBG test later today. For now, let's try and pair it to my phone. All right, and there you go. Wireless earbuds. That's a name. What a name! Wireless earbuds. At least give me like Honor Choice X1. That will be better. I would appreciate it better than a wireless earbuds. By the way, when it connected, it just gave me a sound of like it's something weird. Okay, let's try and listen to a couple of songs here, and I'll let you know what I think about the sound quality. See you in a bit. Alright, so I'm back. I've just listened to a couple songs here, Enter Sandman by Metallica and Attention by Charlie Puth, and what do I think about it? I think this is quite bass, not quite bass heavy, but quite geared towards the bass. So it's more like it gives it a little more boost there. You definitely notice it when compared to the, let's say, the Transmart here, which really focuses on the mids and highs, just like Transmart Spunky Beat actually. But the GT1XR, which is usually more natural, it has more bass with similar, similar vocals. So I think it's actually pretty good, for the price. I'm not really sure. The thing is, for $35, right, you can get a water-resistant earbuds with like earfin design, crazy battery life. That is the True Shift 2, or the Tranya B530, which I think here still has the edge over the MOECEN, whatever, Honor Choice X1 here. So I think right for the price, if you can save up a little bit of money, go ahead and get the Soundpeace True Shift 2 or the Tranya X1 instead. It provides better value. So that's actually my problem with this. It doesn't have anything special to the table here. Yes, it does look like an AirPods Pro and dual mics here, so that should be good for phone calls. I'm gonna use this and test it out on my full review. And also the stem here, it's pretty nice to have it when you are adjusting your earbuds. You have something to hold on to, and it looks like this when worn. So what do you think? Yeah, this is what you usually look like. Something like Tranya, Soundpeace True Shift 2, and this is the AirPods Pro like look. So if you do like this kind of design, you are giving up the water resistance. Yes, this is IP54, but it's essentially the same as, or actually a little bit worse than the IPX5 that's on the Halo GT1XRs here. So it should still be fine for workouts, but definitely you're not taking this to shower or anything like that. This is IPX5, by the way, the Tranya, and my top earbuds of 2020, that's $35, the same thing as this Choice X1, is IPX7. So I have a hard time seeing what is it to like in this one. It doesn't have Qualcomm chip as well. It doesn't support aptX. It's just a solid earbuds for the price that just happens to look like an AirPod Pro. Or I think it's by design. So yeah, let's do a little PUBG test right here. We'll see if this is, sorry, wrong game. We'll see if this is any good when it comes to latency. I think it should be the same as the others, It should be around 300 millisecond to 400 because it doesn't have any dedicated gaming mode or anything like that. And also what's pretty good about this thing is, I forgot to mention it here, it does use a 55 milliamp hour battery in the earbuds and 500 extra in the case. So they're advertising 24 hours of battery life, but the more important is each earbuds can play music for 6 hours. So yeah, can't wait to test that out on my Twitter at TestedByKen. I'll put it right here. So let's put everything aside and we'll do a little PUBG test right here. I won't do any hard editing on this one, but we'll see how it performs. Just gonna go straight and hit to this table right here, and okay, volume up. Let's see if we are on the wireless earbuds. The name is just so generic, it doesn't really give anything special. It doesn't provide anything special, which is kind of my problem with it. So let's see. This is the microphone. I'm gonna tap it once in 3, 2, 1. There you go. Another one. Yep. All right, 2 more times. As you can see there, it's not bringing anything special. I have an iPhone 10 right here with Bluetooth 5.0. I'm using AAC, so it should be like, I think they said something like 130 millisecond here in their webpage. And you can see even the selling points here, 6 reasons why you should love the Honor Choice X1 is because the sound quality, the low latency. Well, yeah, and then the touch controls is also another problem if you are starting to get into the $30 range to $50. I want volume control, and sadly there is no volume control. Controls are just like this, which is just standard Halo controls, and yeah, it's nothing special. The Transmart Onyx Free and the Tranya B530, or basically any other earbuds that I recommend at this price range, all cover every controls. So yeah, that's basically it, pretty much it for my unboxing video. I'm sorry if I'm too harsh on the MOECEN let's go with MOECEN. MOECEN Honor Choice X1 here, but I just don't find it anything special for the price. I personally paid this with my own money, so I don't know, maybe I'm going to be selling this after the full review later on, but look forward for my full review definitely, you know, in a couple weeks, so because I have to use this first. So that's pretty much it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. You know, I even have a hard time deciding on whether I should use that branding name MOECEN or Honor Choice X1 because it's just so weird. The branding, they even named it as wireless earbuds, so what? Anyway, I'll just leave it right there. If you want to support the channel, please do use the affiliate links down in the description as well. Hit the thumbs up if you find anything useful, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and also the full review of the MOECEN X1. That's why I ended up with MOECEN X1. Okay, anyway, I'm tired of this MOECEN Honor Choice X1, whatever. I'm gonna end the video right here. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Kenneth, and I will see you in the next one.